One of, if not the most important factor in the mortgage process is your credit score. The information contained in your credit report is going to influence everything from your purchase price to your interest rate. Before getting into what a loan originator looks for in your credit report, let's discuss the possible range of credit scores. Credit scores can range, generally speaking, from 500 to 850. There are three main credit bureaus that provide these scores to loan originators. Loan originators use the middle of the three scores to determine your credit score. Here you can see the range of credit scores and how lenders grade them. The higher your credit score, the lower your rate will be. In order to keep your score high, follow these tips. The lowest score for most loan programs is between 620 and 640. In some instances, lower credit scores can still qualify, but once your credit score hits 640 and above, you will see a marked improvement in your interest rate. First, and most obvious, pay your bills on time, every time. Second, be careful how much debt is accrued on your credit cards. Never use more than 30% of your credit limit on credit cards. For example, if you have a $10,000 limit on your credit card, never owe more than $3,000 on it. If you go above this 30% threshold, you will take a hit on your credit score. Even if you pay the minimum balance on time every month, your credit will still be negatively affected. Student loans can sometimes be an issue, depending on whether or not you are on a payment plan, if payments are deferred, and for how long. If there aren't enough trade lines on your credit report, don't worry. Things like insurance payments, utility payments, and even rent can substitute as a trade line. Now, for whatever reason, when most borrowers decide that they are ready to purchase a home, there is also an itch for a new car that creeps out of nowhere just begging to be scratched. When car dealerships run your credit, your scores take a pretty severe and immediate hit. If you purchase that car, your credit will not recover for a couple of months, so just a heads up. Keep these tips in mind when you think that you are ready to begin the search for your new home.